Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about printable art and posters business, easy and quick. So first of all, type Shopify on the search. Let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, enter here your email address and start free trial. Here you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. You can choose an account if you want. Now wait a few seconds to build this store. So the first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change them if you want. So here you can change the themes. For example, I'm gonna keep the down theme. You can select whatever you want. Just click add and wait to install in the theme to publish it. Now you can customize it. Just publish it and it will be publish it. Now customize it. It will takes you to your homepage store. So here you can change the style of the homepage. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this. Here this is the settings where you can design your homepage. First here we have the header, the announcements bar. So here you can change the color scheme. You can show separator line, you can show icons on desktop. Also you can turn this on, auto change announcements. You can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. So now let's move on to the announcement section. Here you can change this, the text. You can pass a link or search for collections for example. So that's it. Let's get back and let's move on to the header. Here the header we have desktop logo position. You can change it. You can change the main menu. You can change it or remove it if you want. You can manage the desktop menu type. Also here you can edit the sticky header. You can show separator line. Here you can change the color scheme. Also you can change the menu color scheme, and also here you can enable country and region selector, and you can also enable language selector. You can change the mobile layout. You can manage the spacing and the section padding, the top and the bottom. Here you can manage the theme settings. You can enable search suggestions. Also here you can add your social media links. If you want to add your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want to add. Now let's move on to the logo. So here the logo you can select. You have to select from your library. So just for example, let's search on it on the browser. Printable art and posters, logo idea. So this is just for example. You can choose. You have to choose from your library. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is your logo right now. You can change it at any time. You can remove it. You can replace another logo if you want. Here you can change the desktop logo width, and that's it. Let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the image banner. Here you can add the first image. Also you can add the second image. So for example, let's search on it on the browser. So you can choose whatever you want. So I'm gonna choose this just for example, or this. You can add the second image if you want. Here you can change the banner height. Also you can change the desktop content position. You can show container on desktop. You can change the desktop content alignment. You can change the color scheme. Here you can turn this on, stock image on mobile and show container on mobile container. So let's get back and let's move on to this. The heading. So here you generate the text, just describe what this text is about. Printable arch and posters like this. Now generate. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can change the heading size. I'm gonna make it a medium. So let's get back. Let's move on to the buttons. So here you can change the first button label and the first button link. Here you can add the second if you already add the second image, you can add the second button label and the second button link. So that's it. I'm gonna turn this off. Let's get back and let's move on to the next section, the featured collection section. Here also you can generate the text that is just describe what this text is about. Printable and posters. Can change the heading size. You can add the description just to generate the text and describe what this text is about. Also here you can show collection description from the admin. You can change the description style. Also you can change the collection or create your own collection. You can make product full width. You can enable carousel on desktop. You can change the color scheme. You can manage the product card. You can show second image on hover, and you can show vendor. You can show product rating. You can also enable quick add button. So that's it. Now let's get back. If you want to add something new on your home page, click here, select what kind of home page you want to add on your what kind of sections you want to add on your home page, for example slideshow or image banner or image with the text. So that's it. Now let's get back, let's move on to the last section, the footer section on the website. You can change the color scheme, you can change, you can turn this on, show emails sign up. You can also generate the text here, just describe what this text is about. You can enable follow and shop. You can also show social media icons. So that's it. Now after you're done from designing your website, now the next move is save this and let's get back to name your store. Now let's go to the dashboard. So after you add the custom domain and after you add the sharing details, after you import your first product, now you can name your store. So now type here your name, store, type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone, and also here you can change the store email. So that's it. Let's save this. The last step here is publish your online store and launch it. You can set up a payment provider and set your shipping rates. After this you can pick a plan, and here you can remove your, if you want to remove your store password, you can pick a plan. So that's it. That's how to customize your online store on your home page for printable art and posters business. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.